Are you tired of feeling bombarded by constant pings from your banking app, or worse, missing an important transaction alert? Managing your finances on the go should feel smart and simple, not like a notification nightmare. And if you're a Rogers Bank customer, the app is your key to unlocking both control and convenience. Today, we're diving into the essential tips for mastering the Rogers Bank app, focusing on how to customize your experience and, crucially, how to get your notifications working for you. First, let's talk about control, the card lock feature. This is one of the most powerful security tools in your hand. If you misplace your card, maybe it's just buried deep in your bag, or maybe you left it at a restaurant, don't panic. Simply open the app, navigate to Manage Your Card, and lock it with a tap. This instantly prevents new purchases. Found your card? Unlock it just as easily. It's security and peace of mind, all in one switch. Next up, account alerts. This is where you can turn notification overload into smart, actionable information. The Rogers Bank app allows you to set up specific alerts so you only get pinged when it truly matters. Head to the account section and then set up account alerts. You have options here. Instead of getting an alert for every small purchase, you can set a minimum purchase amount. For example, set it for transactions over $50. That way, you're only notified of significant spending, making it easier to track your budget. You can also customize alerts for specific security events, like foreign transactions or changes to your personal information. And don't forget the practical stuff, like setting up a payment reminder alert so you never miss a due date. Choose to receive these via email or text, whatever works best for your lifestyle. Finally, let's look at redeeming rewards. This is one of the app's best features, and it's best done in the moment. The app lets you apply your hard-earned cash back to eligible purchases made in the last 90 days. Get into the habit of checking your rewards circle after a big purchase. With a few taps, you can turn your cash back into a credit on your statement, essentially paying yourself back instantly. The Rogers Bank app is designed to be a control center for your credit card. By using the card lock, customizing your account alerts, and actively redeeming your rewards, you transform it from just a balance checker into a highly efficient financial management tool. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.